guys, it's me, Kaylee Alcantara. Please like and follow IMJ Interactive.
Sindagang buhos na naggenyo, magalang asin mabubuot na tao, mapahuvin man o may edad na, gabos may malasakit sa kapwa, madya na digdi, makiiba ka digdi, sa syudad na matuninong asing maugma, digdi ang bayang tang naging youth na Taganaga, 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 Taganaga. Ikaako sindagang buhos na naggenyo, magalang asin mabubuot na tao, mapahuvin man o may edad na, gabos may malasakit sa kapwa, madya digdi para sa mapusog na lugar. Dapat gabos kita mag-iskusar, punduho ng droga, asin ibang bisyo, tabangan tang opisyales. Bilang jovenis sa syudad ko, gagamitin ko ang boses ko para maka-inspiranin mga taong alanganin, tabangan tasinda. Tarabang sanaga, mga hovines sa mga pag-asa, mga talentadong mga nagenyo, pinakamaurag na ipapadaog, di ako namundag para sa mga magurang ko na tinawan ako ng buhay. Salamat po nang dahil sa indong may boses mo niya na nakiaram, ginibo ko inita ako may pakiaram, digdi sa tumbanuaan, dai pabayaan magagayong lugar kadakol na pwedeng pasyaran, basta dai magkati sa tung atamanan, sa sadit na bagay ika makakatabang, sana mas maging mauswag ang syudad, mapahovenis man o dawa paigong edad, basta gabos magtabang-tabang para sa ikakarhay, ibuhon ta ang dapat kung anong siyang maray. Dagang buhos na naggenyo, magalang asin mabubuot na tao, mapahuvin man o may edad na, gabos may malasakit sa kapwa, madya na digdi, makiiba ka digdi, sa syudad na matuninong asing maugma, digdi ang bayang tang naging youth na Taganaga, 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 Taganaga.
Pasalubong sa'yo, gawain namin ay napapadali sa pagtutulungan na ganyong sama-samang nananalig kay inang Penetransya. Handi na kayo dito sa masayang lugar. Handi na kayo dito, kami nagkakaisa. Handi na kayo dito sa puso ng Bicolania. Alaga, tuloy ko kayo sa maubang lugar. Tahimik at masaya, naglalakad sa maayos na kalsada. Sa iyong pag-iisal, magandang alaalang di mo malilimutan. Gawain namin ay napapadali sa pagtutulungan na ganyong sama-sama nananalig kay inang Penetransya. Handi na kayo dito sa masayang lugar. Handi na kayo dito, kami nagkakaisa. Sa naga,
for the senior division. USI versus ACC. First bout. First ball possession goes to ACC. Intercepted. Same ball. 12 seconds to complete the play. Number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Fadeaway shot. No good. Here's up. Now back to number 6. Jump shot. Number 7. Attacks. And that's the first point of the match. Going to ACC. Yes, up. Heavily guarded. Stolen by number 21. Number 7. Number 22. Number 11. Drives. No good. Rebounded by number 22. Number 6. Number 3. Number 3. Looking for someone. 5 seconds. First deadlock of the game. Foul number 22. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 21. Bounce pass, number 11. Number 23. Back to number 11. From long range. And that's the first 3 points of the game by number 11. 21 second shot left. 21 second shot left. Stolen by ACC. Number 21. Another shot from number 11. Back to back 3 points by number 11. Left pass. Number 11. Breakaway shot by number 11. Number 7, last pass from long range, no good. Number 11, with the rebound. Bounce back, attack, and now score. Foul number 22. Second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. No good for the first one. number 11. Three, out to three. Number 11. Number 6, rejected. Number 3. Number 6 with a black pass inside. 2 points. Number 21. That pass to number 11. Pump fakes. Back to number 21. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds. He makes the shot. USI, number 1. Number 11. Now pass to number 22. Nice pass. Number 20. 6 minutes remaining time in the first period. Bounce pass to number 7. Back to number 21. 10 to shoot. Rejected. But the foul was scored. Foul number 30. Number 30, first personal foul. First team foul. He makes the first play. He completed the 2-point play. Breakaway pass, number 13, pump fakes. Great, into the basket. Number 21, number 11. Shoots, and the foul is scored. Number 11, first personal foul. Second, substitution. He makes the first play. He makes the second. He perfected the 3-point play. Stolen by number 25. Number 7, intercepted back by USI. Number 3, bounce pass to number 6. Foul number 7. Number 7, first personal foul, third team foul. No good for the first one. And keep the second. 1 point for number 6. Number 17. number 17. Number 11. Pump it. Shoots. This time he didn't make it. Number 60, number 3. Number 3. Big pass to number 30. Perimeter shot. No good. Number 17 with a rebound. To number 11. Number 17. Back to number 11. Number 0. And to shoot. Releases. Number 29. No good. Number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Breakaway pass to number 0. Number 0 against number 3. Second rejection. Nice defense in the offense. But still number 10. Foul number 6. Timeout. Multimedia. We're back in the ball game. The running score 18-14. A 4-point lead of ACC. 3 minutes and 11 seconds remaining time. Number 0. 10 to shoot. Throws the ball into the air. Rebounded by USI. 29. Number 2. Perimeter shot, no good. Number 13 is rebound. Number 12 is number 14. No good. 14 seconds. Number 12, number 99. 10 seconds. Offensive foul by number 30. Number 32nd, personal foul. 4th, team foul. 0 to number 25. Stolen. Number 29. Number 29 with a quick 3-point attempt. Misses. Rebounded. Intercepted by number 10. Quick pass to number 0. Number 0, generating a play. 2 minutes remaining time for the first quarter. With a quick release for number 17, misses. Number 2, into the lead. Rejected from behind, but the whistle was low. Foul line 25. Number 25, first personal foul, 4, team foul. Warning for penalty. No good for the first one. Shout out po kay Jular Casibor and Enzo Ren. Hard part from A's. Number 17. Looking for someone. Number 10. With a quick release. 3 points. Stolen by number 0. Back-to-back points for ACC. Number 2. Means 3. Quick pass to number 2. Another interception. The reverse layup. And foul. Foul number 12. That's USI. And we're back with the ball game. 1 minute remaining time. No good for the first goal. No good for the second. Number 2. Rebounded by number 2. Rejected. Third again. Block the ball. Straight to the basket. Number 0. Number 17. Quick pass to number 0. Number 25. From beyond the line. 3 points. 27 seconds. Probably the last possession. Stripped away by ACC, number 0. 15 seconds. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. With a score 20-19 in favor of Mando Cope College. second quarter of the match. USI versus ACC. Shoutout po kay Mark Gregory, Lampaclor. Shoutout din kay Malu, Ram Romeo, and kay Terrence and Kilkir. Shoutout din sa pinakamagayon ko na kasada, si May. Happy viewing. Inbound by number 6 to number 3. Number 11. Drive. And the foul is scored. Foul number 14. Number 14, first personal foul. First. Number 6. No good. Rebound in. On pick. Line pass to the outside. And a quick release. No good. Number 11. Number 0. Number 6. Number 11, didn't connect. That pass to number 14. Fires the three, no good. Second and 10. Number 0, inbound first. Number 6. Number 11. Number 22. Number 6 to number 22. Great into the basket. Number 11, dribbles. Number 11, number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Misses the ball and that's a turnover. Shoutout din kay sa mga crush ko dyan na sina Jam, Arlie, and Kai from Secret Admirer. The number 13, number 22. Number 0. Number 11. Another quick release. 3 points. Once again by number 11. Number 13. Number 23. Number 3, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 22. Number 3. That's no good. Number 11. Number 14. Number 11. That pass to number 6. Attacks. Bounce pass. Number 6. Seconds to shoot. And he makes it. ACC still leading with 10 points. Stolen. Number 22. That's wonderful shot by number 22. And we're down to the Argentina. Number 6. Turner. Inbound by number 21. Number 11. Number 23. Quick release. No good. Rebounded by number 22. Number 6. Number 21. Number 11. Fires. No good. Number 21 with a floater. Didn't connect. Number 6. Number 23, second personal foul, third team foul. For their second First personal foul, fourth team foul. One goal penalty. Off mix, and the shot is up. Okay. 11 seconds to make the shot. Rejected. Number 14. Number 24. Number 21. The quick release. Number 7. Number 19. Number 7. And he makes the shot. Number 24. Number 29. Baseline drive. Shoots. And good make. Number 21. Number 7. On long range. No good. Number 24. Number 2. No good. Number 21. The jumper. No good. Stripped away by ACC against 3. Number 7. Nice pass. Running score 39-34. 5-point lead of ACC. Number 29. No good. Behind the back pass, it's stolen. Number 14. With a breakaway pass. Number 7. No good for the second one. Number 17. Stolen by number 2. Number 2. Now with the ball. Drive. Number 7. Deadlock. And regaining their favor once again. Number 2 loses the ball. 45 seconds remaining. Number 11. Attacks. No good. And the foul is scored. Basket counts. Foul number 2. Number 2, first personal foul, first team foul. Seconds. Number 3. Number 11. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Rejected. That's the end of the first half. With a score 44-41. 3-point lead of ACC.
Sindag ang buhos na naggenyo, magalang asin mabubuot na tao, mapahuwin man o may edad na, gabos may malasakit sa kapwa, magdyan na digdig, makiiba ka digdig, sa syudad na matuninong masing maugma, digdi ang bayan tang naging youth na Taganaga, 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 Taganaga. Ika ako sindag ang buhos na nagkenyo, magalang asin mabubuot na tao, mapahuwin man o may edad na, kapos may malasakit sa kapwa, magdyan digdig para sa mapusog na lugar. Dapat gabos kita mag-iskusar, punduhon ng droga, asin ibang bisyo, tabangan tang opisyales. Bilang jovenis sa syudad ko, gagamiton ko ang boses ko para maka-inspiranin mga taong alanganin, tabangan ta sinda. Tarabang sa naga, mga jovenes sa mga pag-asa, mga talentadong mga nagenyo, pinakamaurad na ipapadaog, di ako namundag para sa mga magurang ko na tinawan ako ng buhay. Salamat po nang dahil sa indong may boses mo niya na nakiaram. Ginibo ko inita ako may pakiaram, di sa tumbanwaan da ipabayaan, magagayong lugar kadako na pwedeng pasyaran. Basta da imagati sa tung atamanan, sa sadit na bagay ika makakatabang. Sana mas maging mauswag ang syudad, mapahovenis man o dawa pa igong edad. Basta kabos magtabang-tabang para sa ikakarhay, ibuhon ta ang dapat kung ano siyang maray.
Dagang bus na nagkenyo, magalang asin mabubuot na tao, mapahoven man o may edad na, tapos may malasakit sa kapwa, magdyan digdig, makiiba ka digdig, sa syudad na matulinong nasing maugma, digdig ang bayang tang naging na Taganaga, 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 Taganaga.
Here in the third quarter of the match, with the score 44-41. Number 6. Backward violation, turnover. Number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Line pass to number 22. No good. 5 seconds. Pump fix. And he makes it. Number 6. Drive. That's a traveling violation. Number 22. Number 14. Releases. And lucky spot didn't make it to the basket. Number 22, third personal foul. First team foul. Number 6, quick pass to number 11. Number 11, drives. Into number 13. Straight and to the hoop. Number 11. Number 22. Number 11 with another open spot. Misses. Number 6. Number 3. Attacks. Tipped away. Number 11. The jump shot. Still no good. Number 3. Number 11. ACC with a 3-point lead. Number 13. Shoots. Number 13. Number 6. Loses the ball. Number 11. Dribble. You step in the back. Number 2, line pass. 17 seconds. Number 13 with an alley-oop attempt. No good. Breakaway pass. Foul number 13. First personal foul. Third team foul. Number 2. Number 3. Back to number 2. The jump shot. 2 points. Number 11. On the sidelines. Rejected. 13 seconds to complete the play. 13 seconds. Seconds. 2 points. Number 3 heavily guarded. Number 13. Foul number 23. Number 23, third personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 6. 10 seconds. Drive. Quick pass to number 11. Foul number 13. Number 13, first team foul. Stolen by number 11. Breakaway pass to number 14. This is number 2. Fadeaway shot. And they make it. Releases. Quick pass to number 6. With a jumper. No good. Number 13. Number 23. Number 13. Second attempt. No good. Third attempt. No good. Fourth attempt. Pump fakes. Fades away. Still. No doubt. Shoots. And they make it. Back-to-back points for ACC. Number 23, Number 3. 2 shots for number 2. Foul number 25. Second personal foul, penalty. Score 57-51 in favor of ACC. Seconds. Inside. No good. Penalty, foul number 17. Number 17, first personal foul. He makes the first one. Breakaway pass, no good. Number 17, generating a play, 10 seconds. Line pass, inside, lose the ball. Breakaway pass to number 6, attack, loses the ball. Number 6. Number 2. Releases. 3 points. And we're down to a point lead. Foul number 17. Second personal foul, penalty. An opportunity to change favor. We're good for the first one. Deadlock. Number 17. And repent by ACC. Number 29. Bounce pass to number 3. Back to number 29. Generating a play. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2 with a wonderful drive. Breakaway pass to number 7. Attack. They're good for the first one. They're good for the second one. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time. With a quick release, nothing but net. 3 points for number 2. Right to drive. And the crowd goes wild. Wonderful drive. Number 7. Quick release. No good. Number 10. Attack. No good. It is still rebound. Foul number 16. Penalty. Number 16, third personal foul. First personal foul. 44 seconds remaining time. Running score 65-62. No luck for the first shot. It's one chicken in the bucket. Number 10. Breakaway pass to number 2. 30 seconds. Probably the next possession for both teams. USI now in the lead. Will ACC be able to regain their throne? Or will USI end the quarter with the lead? 10 seconds. Shot clock is off. That's another leg violation. 6 seconds remaining time. An opportunity for ACC to regain their lead. Time out, ACC. And we're back to the ball game. 6.25 seconds to complete the play. Number 11, 5 seconds. That's the end of the third quarter. With a score 66-65, a 1-point lead of USI. ACC versus USI. Number 11. Stripped away by USI. Number 11, swift as the wind. Hit it naked into the basket. But followed up by number 13. Stolen once again. Breakaway pass to number 6. Lost the try. Lost the corner shot. Foul number 22. Number 22, fourth personal foul. Warning for exclusion. First team foul. Number 21. Number 29. Number 6. Back to number 2. Pump fakes, dribbles, drives, fades away. And didn't make the shot. Number 11. Number 23. Number 23, fourth personal foul, warning for exclusion. Quick release. Number 21. Number 6, warning for getting a foul. Already fired. Number 29, the number 6. Number 13, with a big jump. Running score 72-67. Number 11, 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points for number 22. Seconds. Running score 77-69 in favor of USI. we're back to the ball game. Number 0. Number 21. Stolen by number 11. Seconds to complete the play. 14 seconds. That's nice drop. Number 0. Number 6. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Breakaway pass to number 21. Misses the layup. And the foul is scored. Foul number 11. Number 11, third personal foul. Third team foul. Number 22. Number 6. Turns around. Quick pass from the outside line. Misses. Five minutes remaining time. Stolen by number 6. Turns around, number 16, number 19. Comes to zone. Number 2. Number 6, number 11, that pass, number 2. Comes to zone. Number 22. Number 11. Number 0. 10 seconds. Stripped away from USI. Number 30. Number 29. The jump shot. No good. Rebounded by ACC. Foul number 2. Number 2 second personal foul. First team foul. No good for the first one. He makes the second. 3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining time. Number 11, number 13, number 11, number 13. And we're down to a 2-digit lead. USI leading with 10 points. ACC, who is fun, loses the ball. Timeout, USI. And we're back in the ball game. Three seconds to cross the half court. Inbound by number 2. Intercepted by number 7. Number 12 to number 2. Number 11 is number 11. That's a traveling violation. Number 11. Okay. Number 22. Wow. Number 3, fourth personal foul. Third personal foul. Second team foul. He makes the first one. No good for the second one. Yet they recover the ball. Number 7, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11, from long range, hits the rim, but not the basket. Number 23 to number 22. Back-to-back points for ACC. Number 6, Jack. Substitution. Shot clock 20. Shot clock 20. Number 6. Number 9. Easy peasy. Last 2 minutes. Number 0. Foul number 3. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 84-77. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time. ACC's basketball. Number 22, pump fakes, baseline drive, in a reverse layup, straight into the hoop. Breakaway pass to number 6, loses the ball, and that's a turnover. No. Foul number 22. 5 personal fouls. Excluded player. One minute and 19 seconds. That's too short. Number 11, dribble. Number 20, it connects. Running score, 86-79. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Remaining time, USI leading with 9 points. Number 23, the jump shot, number 7, the second attempt, and a foul was called. Penalty, foul number 11. 45 seconds. He makes the first one. He completed the 2-point play. 45 seconds remaining time. Breakaway pass to number 13. Shoots. Easy. 2 points. 41 seconds. Number 11. Dribble. Number 7. Stolen by number 6. Backcourt violation. Turnover.